Welcome to Segun Obayendo Foundation, promoting national language for unity. Learning IGBO language.
Hello! Welcome to another episode of Learning National Language for Unity with Segun Obayendo Foundation. In this episode, we are going to learn days of the week in Igbo. Days of the week in Igbo. Days of the week in Igbo, we call days of the week Izu. Izu. Izu ndi Igbo. We have 4 days that we use as our week in Igbo land. Those 4 days are the 4 market days. The first market is Eke. Eke. The second one, Orie. Orie. The third one, Afo. Afo. And the fourth market day is Nkwo. Nkwo. So these 4 days, the 4 days are the days of the week according to the Igbos. They make use of the 4 days. Let's see it as a song. The days of the week in Igbo. We have Eke, Orie, Afo, Nkwo. Eke, Orie, Afo, Nkwo. Eke, Orie, Afo, Nkwo. With this song now, you'll be able to say the days of the week in Igbo. But we also make use of the English days of the week. We have 7 days. 7 days in a week, according to the English days of the week. We call English days of the week Izuoka. Izuoka. The first day of the week, according to the English, we have Sunday. Call it Sunday. Sunday. Second day, Monday. 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 Tuesday. 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 Wednesday. 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 Thursday. 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 Friday. 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 Saturday. 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 These are the days of the week. We have our 4 market days, and we also make use of the English days of the week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.